What's up everybody, it's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're gonna be unboxing and checking out a new firearm we got from Volquartsen. So let's get everything out of the package and see what it is. First things first, this does come in a large package, and it was a box in a box, and then inside we have a bag. As far as the bag goes, a nice custom one with Volquartsen firearms written here. And then you got a little zipper pouch here as well. Let's go ahead and open this up, do this, and sheesh, look at that. All right, not a lot comes in here, but let's talk about what we actually got. Oh, and we do have this here we can mention. These are for the, it looks like the buttstock here. So that way you can adjust this if you need to add more pieces in. Again, this is adjustable, so you can do that. So it does come with a couple of those. Also, let's go ahead. It looks like it came with one magazine inside, and just make sure obviously the firearm's clear and we're good. So this right here is the Volquartsen Vanquish 22 Superlite ISR. For those who don't know, Volquartsen makes, I would call them like the Rolex of 22s and some other setups, because what this is a Ruger 1022, basically firearm. And then this is actually in, you can see here, a Magpul frame. So if you want, you could swap this for a different chassis if you want for your 1022. And then Volquartsen modifies this and makes it super Gucci. And we're gonna talk about like the light trigger pull and additional parts on it to basically give you, again, the Rolex of the 22 experience. The other cool thing on this, as mentioned by the name, the Vanquish 22 Superlite ISR. ISR stands for integrally suppressed rifle. And this is in fact that. So ironically enough, this is actually considered two items. We have a serialized 1022 part here, which is the gun. And then we have a suppressor barrel. And this is actually in collaboration with Volquartsen and Angusted Arms. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Angusted, whatever. But they collaborated on this and helped make this integrally suppressed barrel. It is a 18.5 inch precision barrel. And again, it is a suppressor, but all of this is put into one piece here. For the mag that you saw we pulled out, it's just a standard 1022 mag. This one holds 10, but you can use any other 1022 mags. And I'll have another video later showing, you know, once I get this all set up, what the final form, at least for me, will look like. As far as function on here, as you can see, it looks like a nice, I think it's DLC coating. I'm gonna say it is, but man, that is clean. You have your bolt here, so when you load it, you cock it here. This here is your safety. So when it is pushed out like this, it will not fire. And then when you push that in, you can see red on this side, red is dead. That means it will shoot then. But while we're here, let's get a quick trigger pull on this. Volquartsen is known for their super light trigger pulls. So let's see if this one stands by that. Rack it here. Let's go ahead and give a pull. Pull. Oh, wow, okay. All right, first pull there is about 3 pounds. Let's try again. Set this here, pull, and look at that, right at about 2.5 to 3 pounds. We'll do one more just for consistency, but I think we're gonna get that 2.5 to 3. So pull, and yeah, okay, like 2.5, that is insane. So who is this for? Well, if you're looking for a super quiet, integrally suppressed 1022 setup, then you can't go wrong with this. Traditionally speaking, you'd have, you know, a normal 1022 barrel and then a threaded barrel at the end, and then you could add like a suppressor, which that works, but I think as far as aesthetic wise, this is way cleaner. And as well, you get that Volquartsen name with all of their Gucci parts on the inside. So, well guys, this thing's gonna run like a sewing machine. Other cool thing too is if you wanted to swap again the chassis on this, you can take your Volquartsen 1022 out as well as this barrel, put it into a different chassis. So you could actually have, you know, a couple different setups all from one, I guess, firearm or two firearm components. But again, going back for who this is for, well, if you're looking for a super quiet, just 1022 plinker or maybe a vermin hunting machine, well, I think this would do just fine. Or also, I like to look at it now that I have a kid. For our young shooters out there, obviously with the supervision of adults, this would be a perfect setup to get them trained on and to have them start plinking. It'll be quiet because of the suppressed barrel. Recoil's going to be very minimal because it's 22. And then obviously reliability, well, again, you can't go wrong with Volquartsen from that. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of this? I'll have another video going over the full setup of this and taking it out to the range. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, everybody.